Hi, my crafty fam, and if you're new to my channel, welcome! This is episode 3 of Off the Arts or Back to the Drawing Board. In this episode, I tried one-stroke painting over an acrylic pour. I attempted to recreate one of my hydro dip designs using the acrylic pouring technique. It turned out okay for the most part, but one section turned out blank. I was about to check it, but then I realized it was a great opportunity to try and fill the spot using a new technique. I decided to try and create matching roses using the one-stroke painting technique. As usual, I watched some videos to get me started. You can find them all down in the description box below. Let's get started. Welcome back to DIY No Need to Cry with Ivelisse. Let's get started. For the acrylic pour, I used Dandelion Yellow, Flag Red, Harvest Orange, and I didn't have gold acrylic paint, so I threw some gold ink in the mix to see if it would work. I love trying new things because you never know how it will turn out, and I love playing with paint. I then added the tiniest amount of water to each color except the gold ink because I felt it was diluted enough as it was. Mixed each color well and added all the colors to 1 cup to complete my pouring cup. And now for the fun part, the pouring. I was happy with it at first. I loved the pattern it was forming, but it didn't go all the way down the bottle as I would have liked. There was a spot that looked solid red, so I tried to add drips of yellow to see what that would do. It looked good while it was wet, but once it had dried, it looked solid again. I could have painted a similar design by hand. I could have also decoupaged something onto that spot. Instead, I decided it was the perfect opportunity to try another technique I've been wanting to try, making roses using the one-stroke painting technique. I only watched 2 videos and practiced on my silicone mat before attempting it on the bottle. When I try a new technique, I never take it seriously in the beginning. What I like to do is get right to it and have some fun. It's important to me to see where my natural skill level lies without actually trying to master it. It's also equally important to enjoy what you're doing. I happily practiced the leaves and then the roses. Once I thought I had a basic feel for it, it was time to try it on the bottle. As you see, I'm having fun practicing right on the bottle. I don't care to go over it and make a mess. I decided to try it one more time with a blank background. I painted over it, let it dry, and tried it one last time. It's not horrible, but clearly needs work. And I decided that that was it for this attempt. I added the leaves and called it a wrap. Well, guys, I'm going to go ahead and say I need to go back to the drawing board on this one. And I'm okay with that. It's not terrible, but there is plenty of room to improve. I will definitely be trying this technique again, except I will use a better brush, a white background, and practice for longer. I shared this video to show you that I rarely get it right on the first try. I practice a lot before revealing the final results. This time, I will take you along and share my progression as I learn in hopes that you get encouraged to try a technique you've been putting off, just as long as you remember to have fun, be creative, and make a mess. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to thumbs it up as it helps the growth of the channel and to show your support. If you're new to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing to get updates on future videos. And remember, do it yourself. There's no need to cry.